Here are a couple of ways to change the app icon size on your iPhone. First, using Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a little and tap on Display and Brightness. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Display Zoom. Here you'll see two options, Default and Larger Text. To make the icons larger, simply select Larger Text. Then tap Done from the top right corner. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Use Zoomed to apply the changes. You can see the app icons got slightly bigger. Second, from the home screen. Tap and hold on an empty area of your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Now look at the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then select Customize. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a couple of square icons. If you tap on it, this will instantly make your app icons bigger. Tap on this icon again to change the app icon size back to normal. And that's it.